Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2020 Chevrolet 1500 Trail Boss. Our Trail Boss comes nicely appointed with power windows and door locks, Bose speakers, have heated front seats, cruise control, Bluetooth, automatic headlights, four-wheel drive and an auto position. Yeah, very nicely appointed. This 2020 Trail Boss comes with a 5.3 liter paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and has 18-inch Autotracs. With a typical rear passenger compartment, molded Chevrolet mats, and there's a couple of USB ports here for the rear passengers. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. Should you have any questions about our 2020 Trail Boss, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.